Okay, guys, welcome to Cooking with Blahzay Shorts. And today we're making a mini
a mini lasagna.
Some got on the side.
It's okay. He's making a mess over here, but it's all right. He's making a mini one, and he just made this big one.
Gordon Ramsay would be proud.
Gordon Ramsay would be so proud.
Actually, probably not.
That's a lot of cottage cheese.
It don't matter. The cottage cheese is like one of the best parts. Okay.
Okay, what's next?
Next is cheese.
Yeah.
If you might see a bunch of big piles, but we're gonna smoothen it out as you see. Okay, next
Another layer.
Another layer.
Second layer.
Boom. Then you grab your meat.
Your sauce.
The sauce. You put it on there. Or more than that.
And then you what?
Put some more. Then you smooth it around.
Smooth it around.
Smooth. And this is the spin-off of Cooking with Clay.
The final ingredient. The last layer.
Put it into the oven for at 350 degrees. And don't burn yourself. Oh, I can hear that.
Slide it.
Scared.
Just push. Yeah. Thumbs up, dude.
And that's the end of shorts, because we probably won't do that many short Cooking with Blahzay videos.
Yep.
Bye.